So another day in the stock market, we're up pretty much $100 or 1.1%. My name's Alex, and if you're interested in investing, anything to do with the stock market, and you like investing, consider subscribing. So the past week we're up 2.4% or $240. Past month, pretty much 400. We're coming back to this level. So I have been playing around in portfolio, trying to kind of manage, the volatility. So I did buy a little bit of Amazon yesterday. I was kind of bullish. I'll show you some divergences that I've seen play out. So it wasn't a lot of money, just one share. As I was being very skeptical. I did buy a little bit of Amazon as well. So JP Morgan is up 2.2%, Starbucks 3%, Google 3.8%, JP 1.42%, Coca-Cola 1%, Realty Income 0.62 basis points, and Microsoft 2.6%. So very strong start to the day right now. I do want to mention, and Bitcoin 2.5 and Ethereum 6% if you're interested in cryptocurrency. So the divergences I wanted to show you was, here, let's go to QQQ. So it's on the 4-hour chart. So as I became bullish yesterday, and I figured we would have a nice green day today. That's why I was kind of skeptical and buying, but I did buy a little bit just in case. As I will become a seller once it approaches this level a little bit more, but most of these big tech are seeing divergences, so that's why they look kind of strong today. Taking a look at Google, same thing with Google. Most of these are having a very strong day today, but we'll see. We are approaching some resistance levels. So yeah, this is very nicely divergent playing now. Same thing with Amazon. Very nice divergence. So we are approaching some resistance. We did close the gap already. So soon I will become a seller. As I do see more downside. We're not out of the woods yet. Something interesting I did want to point out was Starbucks. This had a very nice divergence in the 4-hour chart since a long time already. So I think we have a good shot of having a bottom end for Starbucks. So I do see a retest of 80 at least for now, another 5% or 4.74%. What's another one? Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla's pretty much consolidating sideways. We are up 4%, which is pretty good. So going back to their portfolio, we are having a very strong day right now. So we'll see what happens at the end of the day. Maybe I'll make another video over the weekend, but we have been, we would just consolidate sideways, and we had a nice pop. Once I seen this close up this level, I did become a little skeptical. But it's playing out pretty nicely. So going over some of the Verizon, I'm not sure why it's selling off today, but I did want to get into this, so I'm going to be buying a little bit today just to get my feet wet. I do want to become a position holder in this, as it does pay dividends. P ratio is 10. Verizon is like very sideways stock. It just hasn't done much over the 5 years, but they do pay a nice dividend. And Verizon has recurring customers revenue, so I'm not worried about this during the recession. This is a pretty stable stock, I would say, who likes to just run up and then pretty much take a fall. So I'm not going to be buying a lot right now, as it does have resistance around these levels. So I think Verizon at 50 to 48 is where I'll be buying aggressively. So right now we're just going to get 2 shares real quick. Get that in.